Welcome back to the How To channel, guys. We're talking about how to make your reels like a pro on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is go through some of the settings on the left hand side. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about, okay, is add in songs of your choice. So choose a song that you really like, and that is how you will pick it, just by choosing that. Now next is the effects. All right, effects are really cool for making reels because you need to be able to use the filters. The trending effects are super easy because you know they're already trending, so you've already got an advantage over other people's reels. Okay, obviously choose one you like. The circle with a number in it allows you to change the length of the recording. You can have 15, 30, 60, or over a minute of 90 seconds. And the 1x is going to allow you to change the speed of the recording. Okay, the next one we have is layout. Now layout is of course just the layout of the reel. Choose the one you like, change it about if you want to, and play around with it. Okay, after that, if you want to change the grid or the scale, you can do. We have the gesture control, the timer, the dual. Okay, so timer is obviously going to change the time of your reel, so you can actually have this, and that's how long the clip will be when you set a timer. There's a countdown before the recording starts. Super easy, guys. All right, if you're using the timer, please get used to it. It's very cool once you know how to use it properly. The next is the dual. Okay, dual actually allows you to use both of your cameras, and then you've got gesture. So just raise your hand, start and stop recording. Super easy, guys. Like and follow for more how-to videos.